Hey, what's up, everybody? How are you guys doing? So today I'm gonna take you guys on a little tour of my little shop of horrors. Okay. So first, I want to show you guys my equipment that I have. This is my nifty tools that I have to unlock doors. We have the Lishi KW1, really helpful. The Chronos, okay. It's a really nice tool to open doors and stuff. Electric picker. All my picks, plug spinner. These are my tools to unlock cars. When I get a call to unlock a car, these are the tools that I use. Okay, one is a little thinner, which is nice to bend. One is a little thicker for good, really good tension. I have my pump wedges right here. I have this thing right here to pry open the door and push in your wedge, and these are really vital, so really nice and good. Of course, my little shop of horrors can't be complete without the SEC E9 CNC machine. Really nice machine. This is for like high security keys. Turn that on, controls it from the little thing right here. We can do our high security keys, our regular keys on here. Okay, but this I only use that for high security keys. This I use for normal keys, which are the double-sided keys, you know, the regular ones. I cut these on there, the KW1s, the SC1s, the M1s, the SC4s, okay? So we have all our keys down here that we use for the Bravo 3, okay? So this machine is non-high security, okay? Now, to program our keys, of course I have my Auto Pro pad, really nifty. This is like a really cheap machine you can get on eBay. This is the every auto locksmith starts off with this CK100. I have my VVDI, really nice. I can program the universal remotes with this. Universal. Okay, so these are all my remotes I have. I have garage remotes. I program garage remotes with this. I could clone chips. Okay. I have my frequency tester, excuse me. This, I test the frequency of the remotes. Okay, make sure they're working. I have a video on the remotes, check it out, you guys. Battery tester, test all my batteries. I have millions of batteries right here for the remotes. For the key rings, key identifier, more keychains. Little stuff, you know, that I have for my key shop and stuff. You guys can see my permits right here. Okay. I have the design keys and stuff for winter. Yeah, this has been here since last year. I have the universal remotes. We have this guy up here. I don't know if you guys know this guy. We have more keys. We have the duplicate keys. A lot.
Front door.
That's my alarm system, by the way, you guys. So if you guys want to break in, here's the code, all right? Make sure you get it done. So these are all my keys right here. We have Toyota, we have Honda, Dodge, Ford, Chevy, Nissan, okay, Mitsubishi, Hyundai. Okay, so we have a lot of keys right here. We never run out of keys. We have the remote keys right here. We have Hondas, Toyotas, we have Ford, Dodge, we have Fobbies, we have smart keys. On this side right here, I have all my lock keys, okay, motorcycle keys. Now, I usually buy the bundles in American Key Supply. They sell you bundles, a starter pack for locks, starter pack for keys. So that's why I love American Key Supply so much. Okay, we have our Mortise locks. Okay, cylinder locks, a lot. We have a lot. We have the commercial latches. We have a lot of these. Okay, we have more accessories. Fake sprinkler, fake rock, hide a key. Down here, if I don't have a key up here that I need, I'll go down here. Have a lot of transponders, nothing but transponders, and I'll make my own key if I don't have it in inventory. Thousands of transponders. I have a video on my transponders. Check it out, you guys, as well. More transponders down here. These are the Mika keys. I have a video on these also. Check them out. Make my own keys. Okay. As you guys can see, Hyundai, okay, Mazda, Nissan, GM, Chevy, Chrysler. These are all the keys that I use to make my own. So check that video out, you guys. MFK functional, multifunctional key. I have my rekeying pin kit. A lot of rekeying that I do. So I have lots and lots of pins. These I got from eBay. Okay, the SC1, KW1. Now when I go do house calls and stuff, I use this right here. This helps you make the holes for the make some fresh holes for the door. So it's a nice little kit to have. The Ryobi, okay. They sell these in Home Depot, you guys. Okay. I also have really handy stuff when I need to drill out a lock or something. 2 batteries, drills. I have all my drills right here. If a bolt breaks inside. Pins. It's a nice tool. I also have my Dremel. This is a really nice nifty tool to have as well. Really nice tool. Down here I have more tools. I have picks, I have files, I have little files, screwdrivers, gloves, of course, you can't get dirty. We have more universal remotes here for the VVDI. Bear with me. Remotes on remotes. We have our reference books. So if we don't know what kind of transponder the key has, we look it up. Nice reference book. Yeah, we have our camera system right here for sure. This place has already been broken in once. So we installed a nice, system up here. We have our AC, of course. You can't go out, you can't, live without your AC. Nice and cold AC. And yeah, basically this is just my little shop. I replaced the floor because there was a water leak in here. This is all my stuff I have. It's a little unorganized, but I'm organizing right now. And this is basically all the stuff that we need to run this little kiosk right here. If you guys have any questions or concerns, go ahead and leave it down below in the comment section. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Until next time, you guys, take care.